Hi, welcome to this video. How to boost posts on Instagram. To boost a post on Instagram, first of all, convert to a professional account. Select your post. So I'm gonna go ahead to my profile. Select a post. Say this post, right? Or let me select this post, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit boost post button here. And all you gotta do, just follow the prompt. Define a goal, right? Which is to visit your profile, for example. Hit next. And the target audience, obviously, you can select the location by just hitting edit, the blue highlighted word. Hit next. Select your budget, right? And duration, obviously. Then tap boost post once you're in. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and hit add funds, and basically that's it. And you're gonna be able to submit it for review. This turns posts into ads, increasing reach. Consider liking this video, subscribe. Until next time, see you.